Okay, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you may be watching. We are on to comforting the of Cities Phonics Academy. We are on to the 42 signs of English Phonics for teaching children to read early in life. We've started earlier on with some of the sounds. We've looked at s, ha, s, I, h, k, e, ha, r, d, g, h, l, b, I, H, L, he, her, z, we, v. So today we are going to be continuing with short U as in book, long U as in noon, then the J as in jam or jazz, as in Xmas, as in chair, as in shoe, the silence as in thanks, the as in the, then as in queen, then hell as in house, then here as in hire, as in swear, then hair as in ruler. Okay, so we've been able to go through the 42 signs of English Phonics for teaching children to read early in life. We've looked at at, he, k, her, g, I, L, E, I, O, Z, we, v, and U, j, s, sh, t, d, R, I, U, so that's just what we'll be able to do for today. So I'll see you some other time. I remain yours, comforted of Cities Phonics Academy.